Okay, there's gonna be her little hideaway. Body-wise, it's in great shape. Frame's in really good shape. Inside, of course, is gonna have to be upgraded a little bit. Depends on what she wants to do. Oh my word! I actually have a brake light. I do have one. I do have light. Oh shoot. I do. I just got dirty bulbs most likely. So that means I do have power because I do have a running light. I actually do have a light.
A light?
A light.
How'd you get a light?
I got another light. Right up there. They are working. The bulbs would probably Huh? No, it ain't the sun hitting it. Huh. I got a bulb, but I don't know. It's all right. We're home anyway. That's the only time we got to worry about it. I don't know if that was a turn signal on that side. Let's see what it does. I'm gonna go and back that down. No, it's just a running light. Just running lights. I'm thinking that was a brake light there. Turn signal light. I was gonna get it off. But we are home. That's all that matters. I'm gonna go and back this thing down. See how far I can get. I definitely want to drag in the. And then we'll get it leveled out. And I bet my sister and her husband are freaking experts at freaking running these around. That's the way that is, dear.
What?
That's the color of that.
This?
Yeah, that's the color of it. The only thing, it just, you
It's
got
got stuff all over it.
that. Yeah, that's the way. I believe that's the way.
It's dirty.
Yeah. Well, maybe not. Maybe that is.
No, because it scrapes off.
Okay.
The outside, this crap scrapes off.
Right.
This might not be.
Okay.
The underneath it might not be.
Well, I
but
definitely got the. We got the.
I wish it's read this little tag that's on
Yeah,
here.
I just bought a pressure washer, so should be able to
Yeah, I
do
was thinking about that.
decent job on that. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is the first step in bringing the little camper back up to speed. The vent is broken, so they come out with an original or universal vent. I measured it. It's 14 by 14. The crank handle's still there, but the lid is gone. Now, it did come with one of these that I think will be a good. I'll go ahead and get that secured up there. But we definitely wanted to replace that top. And come to find out, it was something in the back of my mind. I said, well, can't we get something with fans in it? Well, they do make them. We're not up to paying $230, $214 right now for that, but they do make them. So I'll be installing this. She said, the salesperson said it had something to do making sure you had the right hinge set up. There is a three pin or a universal single pin, which is what I'm looking at, is this one here, is what broke. They do make an insulator. This place is fantastic. You're talking portable houses is what you're basically talking about. So this is gonna be the new project. LED kits. That's gonna be cool. What the heck is that? Portable ice makers. Definitely. Microwaves. Huh. Gotta look at that max. we got down this way. Oh yeah, okay. Now you're gonna go to different hoses, different lights. There you go. Portable gallon. Water heaters, recoveries.
He'll actually talk to you about it.
Water heaters. Water heaters. Oh my word. It's being a unique situation. And I actually used to work in this building about 16, 17, 17, almost 18. Yeah, 17, 18 years ago. Oh, there we go. Electric lift. That is awesome. Battery boxes. Oh my word. Everything you can think of. Satellite antennas. Wow. This is cool. Okay, then your portable generators. Sweet. Wow, there's 7,000. Man. You need all that? And your jack tongues. It's probably got everything to do with trailers anyway. Freaking broke off. Disappeared, so it's missing that. All our plugs. All your balls. This is incredible. Okay. Leveling stands. And jack stands. I'm just using bricks. Got nothing really.
Window things. What you got?
Window? Okay, yeah.
How about window things?
Window things. Window knobs, dear. Window knobs?
That's it.
Window knobs. Latches. Incredible. Stands. You did something. That's cool. Camper down. Oh yeah, okay. Now you're jumping into your fifth wheel. Fifth wheels. You're always gonna need. Oh man, that's something. Fifth wheels. New tongues. I don't think that slides off the other. Portable tail. You name it. Huh. Honda generators. Wow. This is crazy. Don't want to get this fever. Don't want to get this fever. Tote tank. Wastewater. Okay. And there's the travel covers if you want to do that. Huh. And then I can put regular. Look at that. $100 for a actual portable toilet. She could put in there. Screens. Outside lighting. Huh. Oh yeah, you can put a little lights on the outside. A few rugs. And put a full-size toilet in there. And I don't know. Comfort toilet. And it may go straight out to a holy day. That's what it's in it right now. Ain't that something? Okay. And I don't know if that flushes straight down to the outside holding tank, probably. This is interesting. All right, let me shut down for a minute. Maybe we can get a chance to go out and take a look at some of them out there. Oh, I don't want to get in this fever.
There's windows. I just have to.
I got to add to that one. Here's a solar kits, solar power kits. Sweet. 90 watts. And an inverter to 1500 watts. 400. That's not bad. That's something I want to look into. We're gonna want to replace the battery. And I just thought about it. I think most of these are deep cell, dual purpose maybe, deep cycle, regular dual. Maybe, might be a difference in automotive. Well, I guess you can use a regular automotive battery, but those are deep cycle marine. That would be the other alternative if you couldn't get your trailer to frickin' lighting or wiring.